Blessed, blessed, blessed. A star seed once again. Yeah, man. Yeah, the mix up. Big up yourself. Yeah. Alright. Today we are going to jump on the topic here. See? You see, hyping? Hyping don't good none at all. Hyping will put you in a peer problem. Hyping will make you be disgraceful. Hyping will make you lose your life. See? Hyping will put you in a whole heap of problem. Whole heap of problem. See? Alright. You have some man. Them in some company and them a make a roll and thing and through a man a drive a Benz or a Beamer. See? Them say, oh, them have to drive a Benz and a Beamer. Nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. But your lifestyle where you try to live don't depend the level of them and the lifestyle. Them and they have it. You not have it. See? Alright. You have your little couple dollars saved now and you pay your bills and pay your rent and you drive your little car and thing and oh, you get around some hot girl and thing and some real big man and thing and you say, oh, you have a roll like them man there. Oh, you for roll like them man there. And you not have the money where them man they have. You pull out the whole of your money out of your savings and you run go and buy BMW, you run go and buy Benz. And you insure it up. New rims. See what me I say? 22s. You see what me I say? And all of these things, right? Next month, pass along, you lose your apartment. Yeah, your apartment gone. Half of the bills them and things and probably furniture and these things where you pay for all of them they gone. See? You not have no choice. Now you're living in your car. What type of idiot thing that? Eh? When you have your little money where you have saved and put down and you turn fool and that's where the whole of it. But you want to drive Benz and Beamer. See? And little bit after that you make certain things go down and you lose out. Can't make certain amount of payment no more. See? You have to run and hide in your car. Because your car or your house are there you live in. Them things are not right. Stop follow people. Live your lifestyle. Don't try to live nobody's lifestyle. You can't do them things there. I come for motivate you. For make you step up. You understand what I say? You should have go and save up them money, they make them money they go and build. Because your time I go come when you go drive your Benz and BMW. And you have your house, you're not even rent. You have your own house because you take your time and you do your thing from scratch. It's like you want to get ahead of the game. And I follow people. I know your life you are living, a people life you are live. Because you want to be like them. So I feed them life you are experience and can't handle it. Put yourself in a that's why enough people go crazy, you know? Mad, sick, head gone. Yeah. Just like that. You understand what I say? Just cool yourself, man, and go on hungry look at one business, man, and do your thing same way and not watch nothing, man. Everything will come to you. You know, hear them say good things come to those who wait. You understand what I say? You can't follow people, you can't watch people, not because them have, not grudge people for what them have, not try to be like nobody, be like yourself. Work on yourself. And you're a star, you know. You're a superstar. But because you want to follow them, because you say, oh, you want to be a star. You hear me I say? You're a bright, shining star. See? And because you see them out there so now, see? And them are bling bling. You want to be like them as a brighter shining star. First of all, them not bright like you. So when you go change over your lifestyle and live them type of lifestyle, feed them lifestyle. See, a fake lifestyle you live. Now you dull yourself. You lower yourself. You lower your standard. You understand? Because you not live your life, you live people life. That's not right. Straighten up yourself. Anyway, a star seed, me say, you know, big up yourself. You are the mix up. You understand? Me come to motivate everybody for get for just shine. You understand what I say? Me come to motivate people. You understand? Because a whole heap of these things happen to. I want to make no changes. We just live and I go down at the same hole. You understand what I say? You have to climb out, come back up at top, and try to climb, go up the ladder. But you can do it. You don't need to follow people to do it. Do the same thing them what you want to do for your own self. You understand? Anyway, yeah, man, I'm not even going to chat no more on that topic here. You know. So I say, big up on yourself. I hear the mix up. Star Seed out.